Most global share markets lost ground late on Friday afternoon. US employment figures once again showed that the short-term outlook for the US economy is looking fairly mediocre. Excluding government agencies, employment actually did increase by about 70,000 people over the past month. However, the unemployment rate remained stagnant at 9.5%. Remember, this compares to unemployment here in New Zealand of 6.8% as released last week. US credit card spending is again fairly stagnant over the past month. Credit card advances have been decreasing right through this year and now sit at 2005 levels. On the currency front, the Kiwi dollar has made gains against the US and on Monday morning is trading at 73.30 against the US and close on 46p against the pound. Wheat is still getting a lot of attention on US markets. Wheat prices have been increasing over the past 2 months based on the effects of drought, which is gripping some of Russia's major producing areas. However, it was Russia's announcement on Thursday that they will put in place an export ban that has really thrown a spanner in the works for markets. Wheat prices in the US have now effectively doubled since their lows on the 9th of June. Trading volumes have also soared, with trading activity effectively doubling over the past few days based on average levels. Prices have in fact settled down slightly late on Friday afternoon trading. Australia could benefit from the export ban based on the fact that they are the only major southern hemisphere exporter. New Zealand could also see some pretty positive flow-on effects, and this could benefit our local growers. Australian beef exports to the US have ramped up through the month of June. It is likely that exporters have taken advantage of a slightly weaker Australian dollar over this time period. However, now that the Australian dollar is once again increasing, Asian markets may get a little bit more attention given that they will provide better returns in Australian dollar terms. US beef prices have once again unseasonably increased over the past week. The good thing for New Zealand producers is that the changes in wheat markets recently is also pushing corn prices and other feed input prices higher in the US. This is likely to put a floor on beef prices in the interim. The short-term outlook for New Zealand beef prices has improved recently. However, the high New Zealand dollar will put a lid on any big price increases into next season.